Okay, thanks for taking a look at this video. I have mapped out the dimensions of the conference rooms that we're now talking about. You can see here. Really helps you to get an idea of the perspective and the space. Now, Adam, you preferred this scale for the larger rooms, and I agree with you. And that scale is represented, obviously this is the Chelsea conference room, so we would have an image that I would shoot that would represent Chelsea. This is simply a placeholder. But dimensionally, this is the same dimension as the one that you like in this image. And this also happens to be a flat iron image that I shot a while back, and this happens to be the Flatiron conference room, so it's the appropriate subject matter. So it seems as though we've got the right dimensions. So once again, you've got, this would be a Chelsea image. So the next question is the dimension for the images in the smaller conference rooms. This image, once again, only a placeholder, gives you an idea of an image that's smaller, but it's relational to this larger image over here in this larger conference room. And you can see here's a smaller one yet. And in this example, once again a placeholder, this image is the same size as this image, which is very similar to the dimension of the conference table in the larger conference rooms. So really the point of discussion at this point in terms of dimensions would be, do we go with the smallest image or maybe something in between, which might be the most, that seems like the right way to go, but I wanted to show you. And then here, this would be, these images are the same as the larger conference room images. So, the last point that I wanted to mention is, if we're to do photographs, we have a plexi on top, then we have a floater frame that's the same design as the Grand Central painting. So there's a space here, it's a little contemporary, but also we're dealing with monochromatic imagery, so there's a classic element as well. Just a little contemporary, but not overly so. And then a dark frame that would match the guardrail that you could, the chair rail that you can see in this image. And this would be a very dark wood. We can go on the frames, we can go black or we can go dark wood. And I used a dark wood for the Grand Central painting, which matched the paneling in the lobby stairwell. So once again, quick spin around. Here it is. And thank you for visiting.